Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to create a trifold brochure on Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly create a trifold brochure here on Canva. Well, we all know that trifold brochure are a great way for you to promote a business or a company, or just in case, just to spread information. But you're wondering how to build one, how do you design one with Canva here? Now, the great thing about Canva here is they already have different templates that you could use for whatever you're looking for. Now, it goes with trifold brochure here because you can basically use the design that is already available here in Canva. So I'll be showing you how to edit one of those. How do you look for one of those? So yeah. So first things first is you want to go to canva.com here and you want to go and log in into your account. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and click on the option here. It says search your content and canvas and just type in the following. It's going to be try-fold, so that you could basically use or look for brochures design for trifold brochure. Let's go and search for brochure trifold here. Let's go and use this one. And it's going to give us different designs or templates that we could use here in Canva. Now, what I said before, we could already use existing designs here in Canva. So there are going to be a lot of designs here, and most of the designs that you are seeing here are actually free. So in this case, as long as they don't have the pro tag on it, it means that the design itself is free. So you don't need to have a premium plan in order for you to use that specific design. So yeah, so you can go and just scroll down a bit here, look for one. So depending on your company, like for example, if you're more like for vegetables, you may want to do something green here, or for spa, or something relaxing, or something nature. So choose something like it's green. Now blue is if you want to if it's for clothes or something cozy. They could also choose something orange here if you want to make it exciting. So yeah, depending on what you're aiming for, they definitely would have one in here. So let's go and choose one that we like here. So for example, maybe I want to use one in here. So this is just an example. Let's go and choose this one. Now, in this case, let's go and click on customize this template. Now from here, the great thing about Canva here is since we have templates here, you just need to edit the actual design for your brochure. So in this case, for images here, this is very easy to edit because in this case you want to go and just go to elements here, or you can just go to uploads here and just upload your own photo and just basically upload that photo that you want to use into, or drag that photo you want to use on that specific section. As you can see, the photo section here that we have, you can just drag it in there. It's going to be automatically replaced. As you can see right now, I'm replacing a lot of images in here. I'm just dragging everything here once I've actually uploaded it in here. Now, when it comes to text, you just need to double click on that text and basically start typing away. Like, you could also change the look of the text itself. Like, for example, if you want to change the font family, the font size, if you want to make it bold or italic, underline, so, and a lot more. You can even make it strike through just in case. So yeah, you could also add other things like effects here and also transparency if you want to reduce the transparency for it. And also, if you scroll down a bit here, you have other content of your brochure. So let's go and discuss the parts that you currently have right now for a brochure. Now, typically speaking, the right side or the right section of your brochure here should be the actual cover of your brochure, but in some cases, in some designs, it might be the left side here. So either one. So in this case, either the left side or the right side here will be the front of your brochure. So in this case, for this design, it's going to be the left side. So this is what the people will actually see first in your brochure. Now the right side here is going to be the flap. Again, it actually depends on the design, but typically speaking, it's either they're either switched or in this type of way. But typically speaking, this is going to be the back of your brochure. Again, the flap or inside flap of your brochure, the front of your brochure, and the back of your brochure. But everything on the second page here will be the inside content of your brochure. So you don't have to worry about keeping track of things here when you actually fold your brochure. Just keep in mind that that's how they are organized. Now, also, since we have already existing colors here for brochures, as you can see, there's a lot of elements. So you could basically click here. The great thing about them is since they are shapes made in Canva, you can actually change the color or just a few things. Like, for example, I can move it at the top As you can see right now, it's moving away, making things more custom made for me. So just in case I want to change a few things, like even move like images here, make it centered more, or in this case, just minimize the size, just in case if it's too big for you. Now, also for the shapes that we see here, since it's made in Canva, you could also choose the color for it. Like for example, maybe I want to go to the colors that I have right now. So this color here, let's go and let's go and just apply this for every shapes that we see here, so that it actually matches what we are searching for. Let's go and click on this shape here. But sometimes they might be just images here, so you may not be able to change that. But if you want to do that, let's for this one, we have line. Go and click on line color here. Choose the color for it. As you can see, it's now updated. Now you do the same thing for your shape here. Change the color. So you can choose this one and choose this one. Let's go and choose the other colors that we currently have here. Let's go and choose this color, and the very last one here. Let's go and choose the color for it. As you can see. Now you could also change the background color here. So just click on the empty space you see here. Just basically just changes to a different one. Like for example, maybe I want it in a very specific color here. Like for example, you have this lighter gray color here. So let's go and change that. Let's go and change the background for our other page here. Let's go and choose this one. So it actually matches. So yeah, by the way, for colors, you could actually copy the color for it. Let's go and click on color, background color here. You could go and just copy the actual color code here. You could go and copy this one, just in case you forgot it. Like you go and select the other background here, click on the background color, click on the color here, add new color, just paste your the code that you copied before in order for you to start using it in your brochure. Now, in this case, once you're good, what you could do here is you could go ahead and just click on share at the top right here of your Canva account and just click on download. Or you could also print with Canva here if you're not aware yet. So you click on print on with Canva. It's already going to show you how it's going to probably look like on a brochure. As you can see right now, these are samples that you could try doing here. But obviously you need to pay for it. So for example, trifolds here, which is 100 trifold, so you can print with them. So this is the price for it. So you could go ahead and choose the paper finish here as well, and uncoated finish, and also what's inside and inside too. And if you're sure, you could go and click on continue here and proceed with the printing here, and they will deliver that on your, or in this case, on the address that you'll be providing them. But if you don't want to do that, you could actually just download it. Click on share here, click on download, and from here you could go and choose the format for it, either PDF or PNG here, depending on what you need. But you could go and click on download. But once it's actually downloaded, you can go and start using it in whatever way you want. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe. See you then up. Thank you for watching.